Come test drive the 2019 GMC Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, remote trunk release, running boards. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.